Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a complaint to Virgin Media. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the Virgin Media website, and when you're on there it should look something like what I'm seeing now. And from here we just want to go into the top left corner and just look for this option that says help. Go ahead and click on that. From there, we see all these different options, but we just want to go to the search bar and we're just going to type in complaint. And we should be able to see this option that says how to make a complaint. So we're going to click on that and it says, it's something about our services making you unhappy. We're here to help and want to put it right as soon as possible. So in order to actually make a complaint, you want to just scroll down a bit. And here it gives us all the options to complain. So if you want to make a complaint via web chat, you can come to this section, and their web chat team is available from Monday to Sunday, 8 AM to 10 PM. So as long as it is within that time zone, you will be able to make a complaint via web chat. So to do that, you can click find out more, and then you'll be able to make a complaint. Now, if you want to make a complaint via a web form, you can come down to this section here, and they'll aim to reply and resolve your issue within 7 days of receiving your complaint. So you can click here to submit a Virgin Media complaint, or you can click here to submit a Virgin Mobile complaint. Next up, here's how to make a complaint via phone. So if you're a Virgin Media customer, you can use these details to complain via phone, or if you're a Virgin Mobile customer, you can use these details to complain via phone. And finally, you can also make a complaint via post as well. So you can send your complaint by post to Virgin Media, Sunderland, SR43 4AA. So that's all the ways in which you complain to Virgin Media. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.